Welcome to our video on how to start a profitable coffee roasting and tea business. In this video, we'll explore the incredible potential of sourcing fresh coffee from Africa, processing it, and exporting it to high-demand markets like the USA and Europe. We'll also dive into the machinery needed and marketing strategies for a successful business. Whether you're a coffee enthusiast or a savvy entrepreneur, this guide is for you. We'll also discuss everything from sourcing fresh beans to marketing your final product. Our focus will be on importing green coffee beans from Africa, processing them into roasted coffee, and exporting to the lucrative markets of the USA and Europe. We'll explore the unique opportunities and challenges of this business model. If you want to purchase all machine in this video, feel free to contact us on our WhatsApp number. Check this video description. The first step in starting your coffee roasting business is sourcing high-quality raw materials. African coffee beans, such as Ethiopian Yirgacheffe and Kenyan AA, are known for their unique flavors and aromas. Kenya is one of the top exporters of tea, producing some of the world's best black teas. Building relationships with local farmers and cooperatives can ensure a steady supply of high-quality beans and leaves while supporting local communities. Why Africa? Africa is renowned for producing some of the world's finest coffee beans. The rich, volcanic soils and ideal climates contribute to the exceptional quality and flavor profiles. Building relationships. Establishing strong relationships with coffee farmers and cooperatives in Africa is crucial. Consider partnering with organizations that support fair trade practices and sustainable farming. Quality assurance. Implement rigorous quality control measures to ensure that the beans you import meet your standards. This might involve conducting taste tests and inspections before purchasing. Coffee beans being roasted in different types of machines. After sourcing, the next step is roasting, where raw beans are transformed into rich, aromatic coffee. Roasting unlocks the beans' full flavor potential, and mastering this process is key to your coffee's success. Roasting is a crucial step in developing the desired flavor profile of your coffee. Invest in high-quality roasting equipment that allows you to control temperature, time, and airflow. The grinding process affects the extraction of flavor during brewing. Consider offering a variety of grind sizes to cater to different brewing methods. Choose packaging that is both attractive and functional. It should protect the coffee from external factors and provide clear labeling information. Understanding regulations. Familiarize yourself with the import regulations and standards of the USA and Europe. This includes labeling requirements, food safety certifications, and tariffs. Market research. Conduct thorough market research to identify potential customers and distributors in your target markets. Understand their preferences, trends, and competitive landscape. Building partnerships. Partner with importers, distributors, and retailers in the USA and Europe to establish a strong distribution network. Consider attending trade shows and industry events to connect with potential partners. Sample roaster. Ideal for testing small batches. Commercial coffee roasters. Choose between semi-automatic and fully automatic models. Examples: drum roaster, provides even roasting. Fluid bed, roaster, uses hot air for faster roasting. Destiners, to remove unwanted materials from roasted coffee beans. Coffee grinders, for grinding beans into various sizes based on the market, whole beans, ground coffee, etc. Different roasting profiles, light, medium, dark, and their flavor impacts. Importance of consistency in roasting. Equipment options for small-scale versus large-scale production. Tea leaves being dried, processed, and packaged. For tea, processing involves several stages: withering, rolling, oxidation, drying, and grading. Each stage brings out the unique characteristics of the tea, and much like coffee, the processing quality impacts the final product's flavor. Withering trays, to reduce moisture in the leaves. Tea rolling machines, to shape and prepare the leaves for oxidation. Tea fermenters, to control oxidation for black teas. Drying machines, for drying the leaves after oxidation. Tea bag machines, for packaging loose tea into convenient bags. Difference between processing black, green, and herbal teas. Small-scale versus industrial tea production options. Quality control during the oxidation and drying process. Coffee and tea packaging machinery in action. Various packaging designs. Packaging plays a critical role in your brand's success. For both coffee and tea, airtight packaging is essential to preserve flavor and freshness. Additionally, attractive, eco-friendly packaging can appeal to environmentally conscious consumers in Europe and the USA. Vertical form. Fill-seal machines, ideal for packing both ground coffee and tea bags. Nitrogen flushing machines, to preserve freshness. Labeling machines, for branding your product. Heat sealers, for sealing coffee bags and tea pouches. The importance of branding and storytelling in packaging. Use of biodegradable materials to appeal to eco-conscious markets. Different packaging formats. Coffee bags, cans, tea pouches, tins. Containers being loaded with coffee and tea. Ships headed for global markets. To maximize profit, exporting your products to high-demand markets like the USA and Europe is essential. These regions are willing to pay a premium for high-quality, specialty coffee and tea from Africa, navigating import-export regulations for coffee and tea. Importance of obtaining certifications, organic, fair trade, for easier access to international markets. Building relationships with distributors and retailers in foreign markets. Exploring e-commerce platforms like Amazon and Shopify to sell directly to consumers. Freight logistics, choosing between air and sea shipping. Unique selling proposition. Develop a strong unique selling proposition, USP, that sets your coffee apart. This could be based on the origin of your beans, the roasting process, or the sustainability of your practices. Branding. Create a memorable brand identity that resonates with your target audience. This includes a compelling logo, tagline, and packaging design. Digital marketing. Leverage digital marketing tools to reach your target customers. Utilize social media, content marketing, email marketing, and search engine optimization, SEO. Public relations. Build relationships with media outlets and influencers in the coffee industry to generate publicity and increase brand awareness. Social media ads, coffee shops, online stores, and farmers markets. Once your coffee and tea are processed and ready, it's time to market your products. A strong marketing strategy is crucial to building a loyal customer base, whether locally or globally. Creating a professional website and leveraging social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to showcase your brand and build an audience. Share the origin story of your coffee or tea. Highlighting the farmers and the regions they come from to create an emotional connection with customers. Partnering with coffee shops, hotels, restaurants, and supermarkets to supply them with your products. Selling directly to consumers on Amazon, Shopify, or your own website, offering subscriptions for regular deliveries. Partner with food bloggers and influencers to create brand awareness. Attending coffee and tea expos to network and find buyers. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your goals, target market, financial projections, and marketing strategy. Financial planning. Secure adequate funding to cover the costs of equipment, inventory, marketing, and operations. Risk management. Implement risk management strategies to mitigate potential challenges, such as fluctuations in coffee prices, supply chain disruptions, and regulatory changes. Sustainability. Prioritize sustainability in your business practices, from sourcing fair trade beans to minimizing your environmental impact. A successful coffee roaster packaging products for export, smiling customers enjoying coffee and tea. Starting a coffee roasting and tea business can be both rewarding and profitable. By sourcing the best beans and leaves from Africa, using the right machinery, and implementing smart marketing strategies, You can build a business that not only benefits you but also uplifts local farmers and communities. The global market is ready. Are you? As your business grows, scalability becomes a crucial factor in maintaining profitability while meeting increasing demand. Scaling up requires expanding your operations without compromising on the quality and brand identity that made you successful in the first place. Invest in larger roasters, more advanced tea processing machines, and automated packaging systems. Consider moving from a small roasting facility to a medium or large-scale production space to accommodate higher output setup warehouses or fulfillment centers to manage larger volumes of inventory. Partner with reliable logistics companies for efficient product distribution. Expand into related products like flavored coffee, specialty blends, cold brew, or organic teas. Introduce unique packaging options like gift sets, subscription boxes, and limited edition products. Offer private label services for clients like hotels, restaurants, and boutique coffee shops. This allows you to sell larger volumes and cater to diverse market segments. Let's recap the key points discussed today. Sourcing coffee beans from Africa, processing them into roasted coffee, exporting to the USA and Europe, and developing a strong marketing strategy. Starting a coffee roaster business can be a rewarding and profitable venture.